We need to explain and understand, then we can reflect on how well we're doing these skills. That might drive us when we're trying to communicate something or think critically. It then takes us to a point where we think, well, to be a...
What does it mean to know something? So if we think about the way we check knowledge with students, what it means to know something. Imagine we had a question in an exam paper. And the question is, who was Franklin D. Roosevelt? Anybody want to proffer? Who was Franklin D. Roosevelt?
About what the future might hold, and all of those decisions that people make and all of those choices that they're confronted with. This study is ongoing actually. It started in New Zealand 4 or 5 decades ago, and they're following the same group of children. Well, they're not children anymore. They're following the same people all the way through the years. And they're asking, okay, of all of the things that we learned about...
You'll get the folks in the middle, the late adopters, to start to see, and they see the benefit, and they will join. It will take time, but they'll join. But always understand, there is always group number 3.
We need to explain and understand, then we can reflect on how well we're doing these skills. That might drive us when we're trying to communicate something or think critically. It then takes us to a point where we think, well, to be a...
This is what Cambridge is saying now, future-ready learners. It is a balance of knowledge and skills. The fact of knowledge is essential. It does remain the foundation block. But it's essential to develop these transferable skills and competencies for the next generation. And really luckily, this goes back to the point about effectiveness. It is our job as educators